Hello everyone, welcome to TSC Computer Tech Solutions. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install CorelDRAW 2025 on Windows 10 and Windows 11. After this video, don't forget to follow, like, comment and share this video to your lovely ones. For more updates, let's get started.
Open the CorelDRAW 2025 folder and extract the zipped file. After extracting it, open the extracted file, right-click on the setup and run it as administrator. Now scroll down to the last page and click on Agree. For the serial number, go back to the crack file. Here's the crack file. Open it, then open the keygen. After opening the keygen, click on the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 and copy the serial number. And after copying the serial number, go back to the CorelDRAW installation and paste the serial number in the available space. Click on typical installation. The installation is now going on. Then wait for some minutes. Now the installation is done, but don't open the CorelDRAW yet until it's been activated. Open the next keygen to activate. Then click on the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025. But make sure you close the CorelDRAW if it opens itself. Close it back. Then click on activation code. Click OK, and that's all. Now your CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2025 is now ready for usage. If you find this video helpful, kindly follow this page, like, comment and share to your lovely ones for more tech tips updates. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video.